Now let's have ChatGPT write our resume for us. Please write me a resume. I'm 30 years old, I have 12 years of experience in content creation, my skills are yada yada, my experience is working for Moment Films for 4 years, freelancing for 8 years. Please include that I am a good worker and able to adapt and proactive in solving problems, write that better though, and please write the resume in a friendly and professional tone. So as you can see, ChatGPT got straight to work and wrote me my entire resume. It even leaves a space for me to enter all my personal information. It tells me an objective, a summary, all my skills. Really, this is amazing. It talks about my experience working for Moment Films, my experience as a freelancer, education, and personal qualities. So some of the information, it just filled in on its own. It wasn't information I gave it, which is incredible, but I would have to obviously go through this and make sure that these dates are accurate, make sure that the things it decided I am doing for these different companies are accurate, but really this saves so much time. Finally, you can see that I asked it to include that I'm a good worker and proactive in problem solving, and you can see here, I'm a proactive and adaptable problem solver. So perfect. It answered all of my requests and it put them into this one resume. Obviously, you'll need to tweak your resume a little bit here and there, but it's amazing how much time you can save by using ChatGPT.